At midnight, the man sits alone in his living room, a book open in his hands. The quiet hum of the night is interrupted by the sharp ring of his doorbell. He hesitates, then rises. Footsteps soft on the floorboards as he approaches the front door. The porch is deserted, no visitor, no sign, only the chill of the night air and distant thunder. He locks the door and retreats unsettled. Each shadow seems to lengthen, and the silence presses close. The clock's hands slide past 12, marking another hour of solitude. Suddenly, the doorbell rings again. This time, the sound comes from deeper within the house. He stands motionless, listening as the echo fades, his heart racing. The night feels transformed. Familiar walls now conceal uncertain secrets.